this is JP with the Gatemaster company. Over here we have a Ramset 300 swing gate operator, and I'm going to show you guys how to release it in case of a power outage or a operator malfunction. Right here we have a foot pedal release, which you simply just step on it and you'll feel it engage like so. You'll hear a click, then you come over to the gate and just open it manually. You could leave it in the open position, midway, whichever. Drive out. Once power is regained, you simply just come back, close the gate, and you raise this foot pedal like so, and you will hear it engage. And you'll hear a click, then you simply just hit the remote control. The gate should go back working. Thank you. Give us a call at 1-844-440-4283. Thank you very much.